Yeah, almost every client or potential client we talk to always wants to know what's going to happen next in their situation because, they've been in a short period of time, or maybe they're either staff NCO or a field grade officer that's been in for 20 years. There's nothing in the military that prepares you for having to stop everything and have this umbrella cast over you of, being accused, because you can go from a rock star soldier to, hey, you're the dirtbag. We don't want you in the skiff. We don't want you in the unit. We're not going to let you do your job anymore. And you start getting looked at from someone that was out in front of the formation leading to someone who they don't even want to show up. And that's incredibly difficult if you dedicated, whether you're right out of boot camp or AIT, if you've dedicated really your life to the military, to now have them turn their backs on you is really difficult to process mentally. And so that's really difficult for clients. So clients want to know how to deal with that. In addition, they want to know what's going to happen next. How do they fight this? Is this something am I going to be taken off to jail tomorrow in pretrial confinement? If I go to trial, what am I looking at? Is there really a potential for me to land in prison after 20 years of service and losing a retirement that's worth millions? And interestingly enough, each of those scenarios are different. But most people want to know what's going to happen next, because everyone wants to know what's going to happen in the future. Even if you haven't been charged and you don't know where you're going to PCS next. You don't know where you're going to live next. You have uncertainty. Uncertainty causes stress, and nothing causes stress like the uncertainty of freedom for your future and your family. And so that's really, we can deep dive that question when people call us, even if they don't retain us, or if their case isn't a good fit for my law firm. I would try to at least walk them through the steps of, this is what you can anticipate will happen. This is the steps you need to take, regardless if I'm walking that walk with you or not. There are steps you need to take to ensure that you don't become a victim of this, prosecution machine of the military. And so each case is unique and different, but the most common question people want to know is, what's going to happen next and what do I do?